What should my plate look like in a typical day? My day should start with a healthy breakfast. A healthy breakfast must have one portion of cereal, which could mean any multi-grain cereal. It could start from my normal desi ghar ki roti with sabzi. It could be porridge. It could be another mixed cereal, a muesli kind of a thing. Or it could be oats, which is the most healthy option in today's time. Oats can be converted into various options. You can have it with milk, you can have it salted, you can make an oats chila, and you can also include vegetables in the oats itself. Along with the oats or a cereal, you should combine it with a milk or a milk product. It could be in the form of normal cow's milk, it could be soya milk, almond milk, any milk that can be tolerated, or it could even be chach or buttermilk in the winter's time, or lassi, or just a simple katori of curd. Along with this, there should be a proper protein intake, which could be in the form of one egg, or it could be a bowl of sprouts, or maybe a small paneer preparation. Moving on to the next meal, which is going to be a mid-morning snack, which is going to be essentially maintaining our nutrition between breakfast and lunch. The ideal nutritive snack between breakfast and lunch would be a fruit and a handful of nuts. Handful of nuts would mean at least 22 to 24 pieces of mixed nuts, which could have almonds, walnuts, pistas, cashew nuts, your pecans, hazelnuts, all of that combined. And along with that, 1 teaspoon of seeds, such as sunflower seeds or chia seeds or flax seeds. The next category is the lunch. So 2 hours, every 2 hours is when you eat something, so your body gets the right nutrients in the right amount. Lunch comprises of a nice bowl of salad, which gives you your enough vitamins, minerals and fiber. Along with that, you could have rice, which could be a combination of white rice or a brown rice, and a chapati. One protein source, which could come from dal or paneer or non-vegetarian food or soya. A seasonal vegetable, which must be a green, so that your body gets enough iron and vitamins in adequate amount, and obviously a katori of dahi. Alongside this should be a glass of water, so which you could take about 20 minutes later than your main meal. After this would be the time for a little tea and maybe a small snack, which could be a handful of makhanas, or it could be another handful of nuts if you've not had in the mid-morning. And then a light evening snack, which could be a soup, or it could be a little snack like a dhokla or something, and then dinner, which would be the similar to lunch. At bedtime, 1 cup of milk is what is recommended. This is the ideal diet plan that we must all follow, so that we ensure that our body gets adequate nutrition. Most importantly, along with this, during the entire day, at least 8 to 10 cups of glasses of water is essential, so that your body gets good hydration and is also absorbing the nutrients that you get from the food. This was the entire diet plan that we were talking about. Exercise and good sleep is known to now be one of the most important things in a complete lifestyle modification. A 30-minute exercise regime every day is what keeps our body very healthy. Good sleep has known to have its good benefits. It keeps the body's circadian rhythm well in shape and control, and also it keeps us stress-free. So we must all eat healthy, have a balanced diet full of nutrients, exercise well, drink enough water, keep ourselves well hydrated, and have a good sleep. I would only like to give a strong message, which is eat to live, but do not live to eat. So control your portion, eat well, eat healthy, and stay happy.